may mga kilalang pangalan na hindi nanalo ang Villar sa Las Piñas.
I know.
Sa
Who
Cebu,
would have thought,
Gwen
no?
Garcia,
Yes,
Marinduque,
of
mga
Cebu.
Velasco.
Yes, Velasco, both son and father lost. I
Oho,
mean, it's incredible. I mean, one aside from hopeful, it was also surprising talaga.
yeah,
In many cases, you didn't expect. Even in Manila, Congressman Benny Abante, who
yes.
in
Also,
our
oo.
surveys and in many surveys was a runaway winner, and last minute
Mhm.
natalo, no? So these movements show that the Filipino voter is not like sheep na yung mga political operators, political leaders, kaya lang sabihin kung saan pupunta. Ang mga botante ngayon matalino na.
Pero,
Mas matalino na, mas informed, and a lot of them are engaged, lalo na yung mga bata. Gusto nila, nakita nila, maraming artista hindi nanalo, ha? And you
yes.
saw a lot of progressive candidates like Heidi Mendoza get more votes than what the survey
Mhm.
was showing them to get. And not just Heidi Mendoza, look at our own candidates from the progressive groups, no? Yung mga nasa left, no? They got more votes than what the survey predicted. So
Nag-number
people
one,
are,
Akbayan.
and of
Multisectoral
course,
group, party
of
list.
yeah,
'Di ba? And
yeah,
record holder sila, 6.63%.
yes. And so these are all indications, no, that there's a movement happening amongst our voters. And that I think is a positive sign, di ba? More
Mhm.
than the surveys not getting it right. I think our voters in many cases got it right, no?
Mhm,
They
mhm.
believe that elections are still a tool for empowerment. They still believe democracy is the best game, still the best game in town. And
Mhm.
they went out to vote for the people they felt had the clarity of vision, had the character, had the
And
credibility, no,
Prof,
to lead the country.
puwede rin kaya, Prof. Ray, na yung mga naunang mga labas ng survey, no, yung mga pangalan na nakita nila, 'di ba? Ay, ito ba 'yan? Ito ba ang mga
That's true.
composition na mananalo? Naka-impluwensya in a way na, ay,
Yeah,
ayoko 'to. Ayoko 'tong nasa ilan dito sa
it's
mga top 12. The more na talagang they went out to vote para hindi
to
makasama
prove the
sa
survey is wrong.
para hindi
Yeah,
makasama.
that's all I can say is for my FGD with my students,
Oh,
I mean my informal FGD, that's exactly how they felt, my UP students.
aha,
They could not believe that these people were just going to dance their way
aha,
to a Senate seat, and they, a lot of them voted just one or two names.
aha,
Okay, and that undervoting may have created some sort of dynamic
mhm,
as far as the survey results are concerned.
mhm.
Um, and that's perfectly possible na talagang they proved the trends wrong. Many people wanted to prove the trends wrong.
Mhm,
And
mhm.
naman the political
And that's
environment is
okay.
highly